Most home service business owners think all field service software does the same thing. But here's the truth no one tells you. Jobber and Housecall Pro may look similar on the surface, but they are built for slightly different types of businesses. In this video, you'll get a clear 2026 comparison between Jobber and Housecall Pro, what each one does best, where they struggle, and which one is actually better for your business. Let's get straight into it. First, what do both platforms actually do? Jobber and Housecall Pro are both field service management tools. They help you schedule jobs, manage customers, send invoices, and communicate with clients. They are mainly used by plumbers, HVAC companies, cleaning services, and landscaping businesses. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even though they do similar things, the way they approach your workflow is very different. Let's start with Jobber. Jobber is known for simplicity and structure. It is designed to help small to mid-sized home service businesses stay organized without feeling overwhelmed. A business owner like Jake running a small HVAC team can quickly schedule jobs, send invoices, and manage customers without much training. The interface is clean, and the learning curve is low. But here's the problem. Jobber can feel a bit limited if you want deeper customization or more advanced workflow control. Now let's move to Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is more feature-rich and flexible. It gives you strong scheduling tools, automation, marketing features, and customer communication options. A contractor like Alex running a growing plumbing business can automate reminders, follow-ups, and even marketing campaigns from one system. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Housecall Pro is not just about managing jobs. It also helps you grow your customer base. But here's the catch. More features can also mean more complexity. Some users feel it takes longer to fully master. Let's compare scheduling. Jobber keeps scheduling simple and clean. You can see your day, assign jobs, and track technicians easily. Housecall Pro also has scheduling, but it adds more flexibility with automation and routing features. A technician like John can see optimized routes and job details on mobile, reducing travel time between jobs. Now let's talk invoicing and payments. Both platforms support digital invoicing and online payments. Jobber focuses on speed and simplicity. You send an invoice, and the customer pays quickly. Housecall Pro adds more automation around payments, including follow-ups for unpaid invoices. Now here's where it gets interesting. Faster payments can directly improve cash flow, which is critical for small service businesses. Let's talk mobile experience. Both apps are strong on mobile, which is essential for field workers. Technicians can update job status, upload photos, and communicate from the field. Jobber feels more straightforward. Housecall Pro feels more feature-heavy, but slightly more complex. But here's the real-world difference. A small team might prefer Jobber because it is easier to adopt. A growing team might prefer Housecall Pro because it offers more automation and marketing tools. Now, let's talk pricing mindset. Both tools use subscription pricing based on features and team size. Jobber is often seen as more structured in pricing, while Housecall Pro can scale with added features. Now here's the key insight. You are not just paying for software. You are paying for time savings, missed job reduction, and customer experience improvement. So which one is actually better? If you want simplicity, fast setup, and easy daily use, Jobber is often the better choice. If you want more automation, marketing tools, and business growth features, Housecall Pro stands out. Now here's the turning point. The best software is not the one with more features. It is the one your team actually uses every single day without friction. To wrap it up clearly, Jobber is better for simplicity and structure. Housecall Pro is better for growth and automation. Both are strong, but they serve slightly different business needs in 2026. If this comparison helped you understand the difference, hit like so more business owners can see it. Subscribe for more honest software breakdowns. And comment below what tools you want compared next so you can make smarter decisions without wasting time or money.